Okay, someone asked about number 10 from February the 4th. Number 10, February 4th. Dunn bought some CDs at $4 each and some DVDs at $6 each. He bought a total of 7 items and spent a total of $30. How many CDs did he buy? Okay, so the first thing we want to know is let X equals the CDs, and we can let Y equals DVDs. Okay, so let's think about the items. How many total items does it say in the problem that he purchased? Right, he purchased 7 total items. And what were these items added together? Let's see if you can answer it before I answer it. What's going to be equal 7? X plus Y. That's the CDs plus the DVDs is equal 7. Okay, now we're going to look at the money. So we're going to look at the dollar signs. Okay, so what do we know about the CDs? How much is each one of the CDs? Okay, so each one of the CDs costs $4. So that means that's going to be 4X. What do we know about the DVDs? See, did you answer it? Yeah, I think you did. So you know that they're $6 each. So it'll be 6Y. And what's the total amount of money he spent? And it's $30. Now that's the first thing we have to do, is to set up the situation or the equation here, or the system. Now the system's set up. I've taught you how to graph. You could change it and switch everything up to Y equals, put it in the calculator and be done with it. And I've taught you how to use elimination. We haven't covered substitution yet, so let me just do it in the elimination way. You can do it any method you choose. You will have the same answer each time. So in elimination, we have to decide which variable we want to zero out or eliminate by manipulating one of the systems. So let's say if we multiply everything by -4 for this first equation, that means you would have -4 times x will give you, cross out the x, -4x. I'm going to put it in green. Plus -4 times y would be -4y. Okay, that's a little messy. Hope you can follow it. And -4 times 7 is going to be a -28. Okay, so that's our new equation that we're going to add vertically. Okay, go back to black here. So we're going to add it vertically, so that's gone. We canceled out by adding the opposites, because -4 plus a +4 is nothing. So add the -4 here and then the 6 here. That'll give you a +2y equals -28 plus a +30 will give you 2. Now we see y equals 1, because you're dividing both sides by 2. You all know that. I just write down all the steps. So y is 1. So since we know what y is, it's telling you that there is one DVD that he bought. Okay, it's y. So how many CDs? So we know he bought a total of how many CDs? He bought a total of 7. So if he bought one DVD, then he must have bought 6 CDs. So that is the answer.